Central Board of Education (CBSE) has declared the Class 12 and 10 results. CBSE 10 board exams witnessed a slight increase in the overall pass percentage compared to previous year. Girls outshined boys by 2.04% in the Class 10 exam, with a pass percentage of 93.60%, a marginal rise from the 93.12% recorded in 2023. Students have showcased commendable performance across various subjects. Meanwhile, CBSE has announced Class 12 result with pass percentage of 87.98, which is 0.65% higher than previous year's 87.33%. Girls have outshined boys by over 6.40% points. Over 91% girls have passed the CBSE Class 12 board exams. The results bring a sense of accomplishment and relief to students who appeared for the examinations conducted between February and March 2024.